Hey guys, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about the skin whitening, skin lightening and skin tightening cashew cream. So cashew, which is also known as Kaju, is a very good ingredient for your skin. It helps in skin brightening and removing all types of dark spots, acne scars, marks, pimples and skin pigmentation from your skin, and it makes your skin really bright, glowing, clear and spotless. So this cashew cream is filled with anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties as well, so it will not harm your skin and has no side effect because it is made up of all natural ingredients. This cashew cream just moisturizes your skin from within and regain that natural moisturization and hydration from your skin. So this cashew cream is best for all skin types. So now without further ado, let's see how to prepare this highly beneficial skin whitening and anti-aging cashew cream. So to prepare this cream, we firstly gonna need cashew, which is also known as Kaju, and now we have to just put few Kajus into a grinding or a mixing jar. And then after that we are gonna need rose water, and today I'm using this steam distilled rose water, but you can use any rose water which you have. And you just have to pour a little bit of rose water into this cashew and just blend both these ingredients really nicely to make a smooth paste out of it. And now after blending both these ingredients, your cashew paste is ready and it will look something like this. And we'll use this paste to make the cashew cream. And the consistency of this paste should be a little runny. So if your paste is a little thick, then you can also add a little bit more rose water into it to make a thin and a runny consistency paste. Now I'm just using a strainer to strain this paste so that all the lumps and the cashew grains can remove easily from it. And after straining it, we'll get this fine cashew paste which we'll use to prepare our cream. So to prepare the skin whitening cashew cream, we'll firstly take 2 teaspoons of this fine cashew paste in a clean bowl. Now next up we are gonna need glycerin, and here I'm adding half a teaspoon of glycerin into it. Then after that we are going to need vitamin E oil, and here I'm using this E-White vitamin E skin oil, but you can also use vitamin E capsules, and here I'm adding half a teaspoon of this vitamin E oil into it. And if you're using the vitamin E capsules, then you have to add 2 vitamin E capsules into it. And now lastly we are going to need aloe vera gel. And now I'm just going to add 2 big tablespoons of this aloe vera gel into this paste. And now after adding the aloe vera gel, now we just have to mix until it forms into a creamy and a smooth cream. And after mixing all these ingredients really nicely, your homemade skin whitening, skin brightening and anti-aging cashew cream is ready, and it will look something like this. This cream will be supremely fluffy, creamy and smooth as I'm showing you in the video. And the consistency of this cream will be medium, which is neither so thick and nor so runny. And it will be supremely fluffy and creamy. So here I'm just storing this cashew cream into this small airtight container. And you can use any airtight container to store this cream. And you can store it in refrigerator for up to 10 to 15 days. So the procedure to use this cream is supremely simple and easy. You just have to use this cream as you normally use any other cream. Just take a little amount of this cream and massage it all over your face and neck. Or you can also use this cream all over your body to just deeply moisturize your skin. And now after giving a gentle massage to your skin using this cream, just leave it overnight for best results. So cashew is one of the best ingredients for skin whitening. It also has anti-aging properties as well, which helps in reducing wrinkles, fine lines and sagging skin. It also treats skin pigmentation, dark spots, acne scars and pimple marks from your skin. This cream also helps in giving you that glass looking skin if you use it daily. This cream makes your skin really bright, glowing, spotless and clear, and will make it really radiant and highly moisturized. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like it then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.